At the end of the season last year, we visited Knob Noster State Park in Missouri. It's only about 45 minutes away from us, so it was an easy Friday night trip. It was a beautiful September weekend. Since the sun goes down early in September, we still ended up getting there in the dark. We had site number 7 with electric hookup. We filled up with some fresh water and then went and found our site.
We usually try to have a pull-through site, so I haven't had to back into a lot of sites yet, but this one actually went pretty well. The key for me is to take my time and not get in a hurry, and have some good direction from someone at the back of the site. This site had a couple of trees to maneuver around. I was really relieved that we were able to get in the spot and miss the trees. We could even open the awning part of the way.
I thought the park was really quiet and pretty. Lots of shade. I love the campground when it's dark and everyone is sitting around their campfires enjoying the evening. It was actually pretty cool at night, cool enough for the heater. And I have to say, I slept really well both nights we were here.
The next morning we made breakfast and took a walk around the campground to check everything out.
There are a lot of trails for hiking, horseback riding, and mountain biking. There are 2 small lakes for fishing, kayaking, and canoeing. There's a lot to do in Knob Noster State Park. Also, the Katy Trail is only 20 minutes away in Sedalia, Missouri. A little later in the day, we took our bikes down to the Katy Trail in Sedalia, Missouri. It's our favorite home state bike trail, and this was a perfect opportunity for us to enjoy an afternoon bike ride. After our bike ride, we stopped at one of our favorite places in Sedalia, Katy's Barbecue. It's a cool little restaurant with part of the seating in a train car. We used to stop here every year after the MS 150 bike ride, when it was still in Missouri. It's so nice to visit every once in a while. We were lucky this time and got a seat in the train car. They have some pretty tasty barbecue too. What a way to end our camping season. This might be on our list every September.
If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like our channel, please subscribe.